Are you ready to unlock the secrets to staying young? Today, I'm super excited to share with you some anti-aging secrets that will help you maintain a youthful glow and keep those wrinkles at bay. We all want to look and feel our best as we age, so I've put together 10 healthy lifestyle tips that are sure to help you turn back the clock. So grab a pen and paper, because you're going to want to take notes on these game-changing secrets. Tip number 1. Stay hydrated. First up on our list of anti-aging secrets is staying hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and preventing premature aging. Dehydration can lead to dryness, wrinkles, and a dull complexion, so make sure you're sipping on water throughout the day. You can also boost your hydration levels by eating water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Tip number 2. Protect your skin from the sun. Next, let's talk about protecting your skin from the sun. UV rays can cause skin damage, premature aging, and even skin cancer, so it's important to shield your skin from the sun's harmful effects. Make sure to wear sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day, even on cloudy days. And don't forget to wear protective clothing, sunglasses, and a wide-brimmed hat when you're spending time outdoors. Your skin will stay youthful and healthy for years to come. Tip number 3. Eat a balanced diet. Another key to anti-aging is eating a balanced diet full of nutrient-rich foods. Your skin needs essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to stay looking young and vibrant. Focus on incorporating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. Foods like blueberries, avocados, salmon, and nuts are great choices for promoting skin health and fighting off wrinkles. Your skin will glow from the inside out. Tip number 4. Get plenty of sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more cortisol, a stress hormone that can break down collagen and elastin in your skin. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and regenerate. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day, with glowing skin to boot. Tip number 5. Exercise regularly. Exercise isn't just good for your body, it's also great for your skin. Regular physical activity can improve circulation, boost collagen production, and reduce stress levels, all of which contribute to healthy, youthful-looking skin. Whether you prefer jogging, yoga, or weightlifting, finding a fitness routine that works for you is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week to reap the anti-aging benefits. Your skin will thank you for it. Tip number 6. Practice stress management. Stress can take a toll on your skin, leading to breakouts, dullness, and premature aging. That's why practicing stress management techniques is crucial for maintaining a youthful appearance. Whether you prefer meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or journaling, finding ways to relax and unwind can do wonders for your skin. You'll notice a difference in your complexion and overall well-being when you prioritize stress relief in your daily routine. Tip number 7. Limit alcohol and avoid smoking. If you want to keep your skin looking young and healthy, it's important to limit your alcohol intake and avoid smoking. Alcohol can dehydrate your skin and promote inflammation, leading to premature aging. Smoking, on the other hand, can accelerate the aging process by causing wrinkles, sagging skin, and a dull complexion. By cutting back on alcohol and steering clear of cigarettes, you'll be doing your skin a huge favor and maintaining a youthful appearance. Tip number 8. Use anti-aging skincare products. In addition to following a healthy lifestyle, using anti-aging skincare products can help boost your skin's youthful appearance. Look for products that contain ingredients like retinol, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and peptides, which can hydrate, firm, and plump your skin. A good skincare routine tailored to your skin type and concerns can make a big difference in reducing the signs of aging. Tip number 9. Stay hygienic. Maintaining good hygiene is essential for keeping your skin looking young and healthy. Make sure to wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Exfoliate regularly to slough off dead skin cells and reveal a fresh, radiant complexion. And don't forget to moisturize to keep your skin hydrated and supple. By following a simple yet effective skincare routine, you'll be able to maintain a youthful glow for years to come. Tip number 10. Stay positive and embrace aging. Last but not least, staying positive and embracing the aging process is key to looking and feeling young. Aging is a natural part of life, and it's important to accept and celebrate the changes that come with it. By staying optimistic, practicing gratitude, and nurturing your inner beauty, you can exude a youthful energy that transcends age. Remember, age is just a number, it's how you feel inside that truly matters. Well, there you have it, 10 healthy lifestyle tips that will keep you looking and feeling young. By incorporating these anti-aging secrets into your daily routine, you'll be able to maintain a radiant complexion, smooth skin, and youthful energy for years to come. So go ahead and start implementing these tips today, and watch as your friends and family marvel at your ageless beauty. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Take care and stay young at heart. Bye for now.